Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this Audi A1 S-Line Competition Sportback S Tronic. It's a 2019 model boasting the 2-litre petrol engine with automatic transmission. This car comes from only one previous owner with 43,000 miles on the clock and a partial service history present. It's finished in the striking python yellow metallic paintwork, and the key exterior features include the automatic LED headlights. The car sits on those brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels with contrasting brake calipers, and also benefits from rear parking sensors, alerting you to any obstructions when manoeuvring. Moving into the boot space, you can see the A1 offers a fantastic amount of storage room for a city car such as this, and you do have the ability to fold rear seats down. Into the rear seats themselves, you can see they're finished in the part leather upholstery, and you will find ISO-fixed mounting points on the outer two seats. Moving round into the driver's interior, I've got controls on the door card for electric windows and door mirrors. You will find brushed aluminium detailing throughout the interior and S-Line branded sports seats in the front. Now the steering wheel is multi-function with volume and media controls available on there, and then just behind the wheel you will find the cruise control and speed limiter, which always comes in handy for motorway driving. The car does also provide paddle shift gears for taking manual gear changes, and then moving up towards the dials you can see you've got the fully digital instrument display, offering access to your exact mileage and your trip information. Moving across to the media screen itself, you've got the full touchscreen system here, providing access to Bluetooth connectivity so you can stream your own music through the vehicle. You do also have the access to DAB, FM and AM radio wave bands with plenty of preloaded stations, so you can easily find and save your favourites. You can also use the Bluetooth feature mentioned for safely taking and making phone calls while out on the go. And then you will also find that the A1 provides access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can fully integrate your smartphone if you'd like to. Going into the vehicle tab, you can access the Audi Drive Select, which provides 4 selectable driving modes for you to choose from, including the individual mode, which allows you to adjust the suspension, steering and engine sound. Within this menu, you do also have access to your driver assistance, which includes the lane departure warning. And then just below the media screen you will find the manual air conditioning. Just underneath there you'll find shortcut buttons for the Drive Select alongside your media ports and the 12-volt socket. Moving along the centre console you will find the automatic gear selector and the manual handbrake, and plenty of storage with the cup holders. Thank you for watching the video tour on this Audi A1, currently available at Motormatch Chester. For more information please contact one of our sales team.